Welcome to the Helo factory in Hanko, Finland. In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble the Hanko series sauna kit. Let's go inside and take a look. Before you begin construction of your sauna, organize the screws, brackets, walls and other equipment in order to make the process as easy as possible. All the wall panels are numbered according to the order in which they are to be assembled. There are 8 wall panels in total. Where there is a red sticker on a panel, it indicates the externally facing side. Begin construction by setting up the floor support. Make sure you are using the correct size of corner piece and that the bracket fits properly before assembly. Put together 3 sides of the base using the corner pieces and screw them in place. Check that the base is level. Identify wall panel numbers 1 and 2. Check the instruction manual for the correct size corner brackets. Slot wall panel 1 into the base on the left-hand side and attach a corner pole for the back left corner as shown, and screw in place. Slot wall panel number 2 into the rear of the base and screw in place. Note that there are 2 different mounting plates used to attach the panels. Mounting plates for the side wall panels have 3 holes. Mounting plates for the corner poles and panels have 2 holes. Place wall panel number 3 next to wall panel number 2 and insert the top mounting plate. Repeat this process with the following wall panels. When wall panels are assembled, they should always fit together tightly. Make sure you pull out the plastic tubes for the sauna stove cabling. Using the correct panel and the corner pole as per the instruction manual, complete the front left corner. And repeat for the front right corner pole. Now assemble the benches. Unpack the top bench and remove the wooden support that will be used to fix it to the wall. Follow the pre-marked lines to guide the placement of the support and screw and glue it into place, using all screw holes. Confirm the support is level. Repeat this process on the other side and for the lower bench supports. Carefully lower the top bench onto the supports and screw into place as per the manual. Pull the lighting cable through the hole in the back wall of the sauna. Connect the cable to its pair in the pre-assembled backrest. Measuring the correct placement according to the instruction manual, screw the backrest into place. To assemble the skirting, first screw the included magnets into place. Screw the side supports into place, ensuring correct placement. Carefully place the lower bench onto the supports and then affix the skirting in place using the magnets. The magnets allow for easy removal for cleaning. Assemble the vents following the instruction manual for placement. For the glass door, carefully move it into position. Screw the frame into the wall panels at the pre-drilled locations. Remove all tape from the glass. Cover the screws with the supplied plastic lids. Place the metal strips on the top and side of the door. Use the rubber protective tape on the left and right sides of the frame. Assemble the door handle and affix it to the door as shown in the instruction manual. Finally, assemble the ceiling. The ceiling panels are marked T1 and T2. Again, the red sticker indicates the external side. Cut the fabric strip to the required lengths and affix them to the inside edges of the ceiling panels. Carefully lift the ceiling panels into place. The guide bars should fit snugly into the top of the wall panels. If space allows, screw the ceiling panels into place. Finally, nail into place the interior lists, exterior cover lists, and architraves. Consult the instruction manual to make sure the lists are in the correct places. Install the sauna stove according to the manufacturer's instructions and you are ready to enjoy your genuine Helo finish sauna.